If you're looking for an honest, dependable, and trustworthy restoration job, consider Slate Performance for your modern, classic, or high-performance vehicles. Here at Slate Performance, we pride ourselves on being professional, reliable, and second to none in quality. We're the next generation of car builders working on all types of vehicles. Whether your car needs a basic respray or a full restoration, we can do it all using only the highest quality materials. Rust repair and sheet metal replacement is no hard task for our team. Specializing in complete restoration and custom builds, modern performance, classic pickups and imports, classic cars, and movie replicas. We're conveniently located at 5802 Elmwood Avenue, Indianapolis, Indiana. Contact us now at 317-661-3143 to schedule quality work for your ride today.